Chinese stir-fry vegetable 101. If you use my method to cook any leafy vegetables, you will master this for any grain and Chinese way. So we start with slice some ginger. For Bok Choy, I also like add some garlic too. I have another video is garlic spinach you can check out. I like to chop them small for this dish. Our wok on high heat, but just dry wok, no water, no cooking oil, nothing. Get your spatula ready. Now my wok is smoking hot. It's ready for your Bok Choy. Get your Bok Choy, Chinese 白菜. Get in a smoking hot wok. So the first step, we cook the vegetable in this really hot wok. Nothing here. No oil, no water, nothing. Just cook this down for a couple minutes. Very short time. Kind of a toasting here. Get the extra water out of the vegetable. If you cook spinach, it's the same thing. I'll take them out. Some cooking oil. Cover the wok. And my favorite ginger I use every day. Get the fragrance out. And garlic. Back in. Hot. Chinese cooking water. Your favorite oyster sauce. Cooks a few minutes. Look at the green. Put it on a plate. Let's just taste the Bok Choy. Still very crunchy. And the freshness of the green. The garlic, the ginger. It's all over your mouth. Good one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you will see a lot more Chinese food coming your way. I will see you next time. 再见.